Hey my YouTube friends, welcome back to another video to my channel. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday. Being said, you all, I am here to do a really quick gratis haul. If you're new to my channel, I do work for Sephora. Every month you get training products. So this is for the month of August. I'm gonna just go through it really quick because I have to get ready for work. Well, get ready to leave to go to work because I'm already done for the day. I did do a really quick look. I am using the Merit foundation, you all. Their foundation is amazing, like amazing. So yeah, let me hurry up really quick. We got this. Comes in a black bag and it's always sealed with your name on it, so no one can ever go in it, or you can never say someone took my products because the bag is supposed to come sealed. This here is a Fenty Beauty pouch. It's cute. I probably could fit my camera in here. And then it also came with this, which I thought was neat. I don't know, like a bracelet or something. I may try and put my keys on here, because I do have one from Amazon, so I may switch out and use this for my keys. And it just says Fenty Beauty. So yeah, I'll probably most likely use this for my camera. And stuff. Oh, it opens really wide, so yeah, it could fit my camera. Okay, so yeah, this is cute. We got the new Bum Bum Cream. A lot of people didn't like it, but I like the smell. They say it kind of reminds you of Baca Rouge. I don't know, you all, but they say it kind of reminds you of that particular scent. But yeah, we got one of those. And I also got something from Clinique. This here is it's like a moisturizer from Clinique. Clinique been around since forever. Yeah, it's just like a face cream. Then we also got, this here came bubble wrap by Ren Beauty. This is an overnight recovery balm. Familiar with this particular brand, but yeah, it don't smell like anything. So got something from Ola Hendrickson. The is a peptide moisturizer. I don't know too much about this, you all. My strong point is makeup, but yeah, it's like a moisturizer. Sure, it's for your face. Reduce this, reinforce your skin moisture barrier. So yeah, this is like the daily moisturizer. We did get a Urban Decay liquid lip. I do have one already, and y'all, I really like these a whole lot. I have the color Safe Word. And of course, this is a red. I don't know. They just always give out red. So, yeah. And like I said, you're supposed to shake it for like 5 seconds to activate it or whatever. So, we got that. We also got something from Supergoop. Oh, this is a setting mist. And this has the SPF in it. So, yeah, we got that. We also got the Rare Beauty. Then we also got the Fenty foundation. I don't know why, because it's not new. I don't think. Picked the color 410 because last time I got $3.90, and I think $3.90 was too light. And that's still brand new in here, you all. Like, I haven't even used that. So yeah, we got that. And we also got Kate Somerville acne treatment. My daughter don't have acne, so I don't know what I'll do with this. I don't know if you have to have acne to use it. If not, I don't know. And then we also got an autocorrector eye cream. Okay, I love a good eye cream. Like I said, I throw these here in my skincare fridge. It's by Sunday Riley. And then last but not least, I got a brow pencil, which I can use. I don't really use pencils per se like this. I usually use the retractable ones, so this would be something new for me. Hey you all, that's all I got. So yeah, it says, this is for the Sunday Riley. I guess this is something new. It's supposed to reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for a more refined, brighter eye look. Oh yeah, you all, that's what I got in my gratis. So I'm not sure if I'm going to include this in a vlog. I hope you enjoy my vlog, and I also hope you enjoy what I got in my training products. So with that being said, you all, I will talk to you later because I gotta go to work. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because I always post like different things going on. See you later. You all. I just got finished getting ready. Now I am about to make my smoothie. Did just get a new smoothie machine. I will be showing you what I put in my smoothie. So I have this here banana I need to go ahead and use. I did just get a new blender because my son came to visit me yesterday and he wanted my old one, so I gave it to him. I wanted a new one anyway. See, this one works fine. Link it down below because I did get it off of Amazon. Good thing about these here, they come with 2 cups, and once you take the blade off, it comes with a top for you to use them as a smoothie cup. And I thought that was a plus for me because I'm constantly trying to find cups that can fit all of my smoothies, where I have to like give the extra to my daughter or try and drink it really quick or just freeze it. So I like the fact that I can take the blade off and put an actual top on and take this along with me on my way to work. My banana here, I'm gonna go ahead and break that up and put that inside of here. I usually get my smoothie bags from Walmart because to me I think it's better than having to buy a bunch of fruit and then chop it up. And this is what I use, this here energy blend. This is what I use to give me some energy, you all, because I do sometimes be tired. So all I do is take a spoonful and put it in there like so. I'll go ahead and dump. If I didn't mention, it has strawberries, bananas, dark cherries, dragon fruit, and cranberries. Ooh. Then I use my almond milk. I just buy the Walmart brand. Everything inside of the container. It came with an ice tray, so I'm gonna put a little bit of ice in here. This little here ice tray. So let me see. Combine. I usually like to shake it to make sure everything is combined very well. I think I need a little more milk. So that is done. What I'm gonna do is I am going to show you what I packed for lunch, and I'll be right back. So my smoothie is done. So now what I'm going to do is pack my, well, finish packing my lunch. A sandwich. You know, I like to eat what I want to eat, so it's like portion control for me. My chips, because I have to have chips with a sandwich. I'm sure I'm not the only one in here. So this is what helps with me controlling how much I eat. Not that I would eat a whole bag like this, but y'all know. Already done a lunch bag from TJ Maxx. So I'm not working late today, so yeah. So let me show you what else I get. So like I was saying, I have to make up my bed before I leave. Just wanted to share with you a really quick get ready with me slash work video. If y'all enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Oh, before I end, I will talk to you then. Bye bye. Okay, y'all, I'm on my lunch break. So yeah, I get like an hour. I probably will show you around when I'm done eating. It's not working well. I didn't want to stay inside. So I will see y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna call my grandkids. Okay, so I ended up changing locations. It's so cute. And it's just me by myself. That's how I like it. I'm gonna show you really quick what it looks like. So here's my chips, my sandwich, my water. Your movie theater. You got some clothing stores here. That store, all birds, I think. That's a store at restaurants. It's really quiet today. Like, this is usually crowded, like packed. But I'm not complaining because I'm all by myself. Do you see that? I am all by myself. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating my lunch, and I will see y'all when I get home. They play music, so I can't keep this video going but so long. But yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.